Here's a 2011 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. 2011 models see a slight restyling of the previous year's design. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: i6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, power sunroof, AM/FM stereo radio, key fob activated rear windows, dual zone climate control, auxiliary audio input, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Automobile remarks, there's probably no car that better communicates what's going on with the road than the 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.